Hello, welcome to Pariksha, and today we will continue from where we have left in the last video. So we will start with the filing related information. Frequently asked question and filing related information. So without much delay, let's start. So the first question comes is like a normal question: who can apply for a patent? So a patent can be filed either by true inventor, first inventor, or any his assignee. That means कि patent इन्वेंटर खुद भी जाके फाइल कर सकता है या फिर फर्स्ट इन्वेंटर इज समथिंग like the first author in a research. So the first author, if any research paper you will take out to read, you will find the first author. The name of the first author is the main researcher of that project. So that's why it's in the name as true and first inventor. His assignee means someone whom he assigned to be like a legal representative of that patent. Then either alone or jointly with any person. So alone and jointly here indicates like there are several researches which are uh, done with a combination of groups and organization where the teamwork comes. That is like a group of the people, or there are researches which are done in like alone. So this is, so how can I apply for a patent? So in case of application, like you have to first file a provisional specification regarding the patent. If you have like you are final with your patent and you don't have to work extra in it, then you can at the same time you can submit the final draft as well. Yeah, but initially it is said like file a provisional application, then follow the procedures, and if nothing that left to be more to be done in that research work, then you can simply file the complete patent application. And it's and one has to file complete. But if you are filing the like a provisional specification, then you have to file the like complete specification within the 12 months from the date of filing of provisional application. And also this provision doesn't have any further extension. Then is there a provision for filing electronically? So yes, we can file a patent through like online. Then how can one register for online filing patent? To register for filing patent, the user required to obtain class 3 digital signature. So what is digital signature? Digital signature is something like we tokenize our signature through some third party digital signature provider. So to who in India, TCS, SafeScript and eMudra. eMudra is a platform of RBI that provides digital signature. Also, one thing to be noted here, these digital signature aren't charged, like these are not free. You have to pay for creating a tokenization of your digital signature, and these are delivered in a pen drive to you. And the cost of like for eMudra, it cost around 2900 something to file and get a digital signature. In which language can an application for patent be filed? In Indian Patent Office. So in Indian Patent Office, you can application can be filed either in Hindi or English. So even note that if question comes like can we file patent in Hindi? So yes, we can file patent in Hindi. Now come up to the like, is there any jurisdiction for filing patent application in India? So yes, India has a 4 patent office located at Kolkata, New Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. Each office has separate territorial jurisdiction. Now, if we talk about other acts, so Chennai deals with GI. Mumbai deals with like database and heads a head office of patent corporation. New Delhi deals with technical patents, and apart from these offices, there is one more office in Ahmedabad, which is for copyright, trademark. The Ahmedabad office for trademark. And in case of foreign application, it depends on the address of service in India given by such an applicant. So service in India, address of service in India means when someone from outside file the patent application in India, so they generally file the patent application through the agent. So service in India, address of service in India means that the agent's address. So generally the agent will choose the nearest possible office to his address. It's like common thing. So when can applicant withdraw patent application in India? So a request for withdrawal of application can be filed within 15 months of the date of filing or date of priority, whichever is earlier, according to application, and will not be published and treated as withdrawal. So here one thing to be noted, then 18 month, like application is sent to be publication. So if you want to file withdraw your application, so you have to withdraw it before 18 months, and for precisely it should be within 15 months of the filing of date of priority, because uh, when we file a application and then sometimes there is a like a dispute occurs, so fighting for dispute, that's why, and maybe to replying with the patent examiner's review question and all, so 3 extra grace months has been taken before the filing, after the filing of final patent, and 15 months have been given so that you can withdraw application. An application, you can withdraw the application before the issuance of first examination reports. Yes, you can withdraw the application before the first examination report. On withdrawal of, however, on that withdrawal, applicant can claim a refund up to 90% of the fees. Yeah, if you file withdraw your application before first examination report, then you can file for 90% examination fee. But there will be no fee refund if you are withdrawing your application after the examination, because examination of your patent had been done. So when this service has been taken upon your patent, then there will be no refund of the fees. What type of application can be filed in India? Provisional application. Provisional application, like a provisional application is like we are working on this group, this research, and let's file a patent, so that we become the first one to file that patent, and we can get a 12 months time to complete that patent. That's all. Also, ordinary application. So application, ordinary application means like a general application in which you have achieved through some research work through your research, and you are just filing for a patent. It can be filed in a convention country or without any reference to other earlier application, like it can be filed directly. Convention application. So application filed in one or more of the convention countries known as convention application. Last time I told you about that PCT. So the convention application comes under PCT. In order to get convention status, an applicant should file the application in Indian Patent Office and within 12 months from the date of first filing of similar application in the convention country. So convention application can be like an international application, and it can be seen as like you are working, you have worked on some research, and you have filed a patent in India. Now you want to get the same patent for the same research in France also, so you have to file a convention application in France within the 12 months of the date of filing of that application in India. PCT international application. So application is filed in India as a receiving office. So receiving office are given status of countries. So an application filed in India as a receiving office. See, India is working as a receiving office here. Under Patent Cooperation Treaty is an international application which can be filed in more than 150, precisely 157 countries by a single application. What is PCT National Place Application? PCT designating India, an applicant can file a national face application in India within 31 months from the international filing date or priority date, whichever is earlier, जो पहले होगा. When an international application, जब हम कोई international application होता है उसको according to PCT designation in India जब फाइल करते हैं तो उसे नेशनल फेज एप्लीकेशन बोलते हैं. What is patent of addition? When we add another some addition in our existing patent, then that is called patent of addition. What is divisional application? When we have filed any patent and the examiner or like a patent officer sees like this research can be made into 1, 2, 3 more or further co-divided into researches, then we can divide that research and file a separate application for all this, then this is called a divisional application. Where is an application for patent published? So every application of patent is published after expiry of 18 months from date of its filing or priority date, whichever is early. Now, is there any provision of Patent Act for early publication? Yes, patent application make a request for early publication in Form 9. Form 9 comes for early publication of the patent along with the prescribed fee. When you are asking for a early publication, you have to pay extra fees. What are the Now this question is not that like it's obvious question. Now, what are the form required to be filed? One has to file application of patent in India. So an application is required to file Form 1, which is a request for filing an application. Form 2, which is either a provisional or complete specification. Then, in addition to this, the abstract on invention, like abstract of invention, it comes under Article 10A to 10D. Like you have to file abstract, best way to perform, then literature. You have to give in about the patent. And if the application is filed for a registered patent, then a power of authority favoring the said agent in Form 26 is also to be filed. This is the process. I will share the screenshot of this process in our Telegram group, and also we'll be sending this PDF once it gets completed in the Telegram. Thank you.